the NASA stations. You can't really try this. Are you? Like, of course not. How to call prematurely? Let's just face it. The world is ending. We are in a global crisis, and you need time to think. You aren't thinking we're all gonna die. Not happening. It's because it might end us. Us trying to kill us. Trying to kill us. I'm so tired of this guy. Gosh. No. Don't do it. Hey! You're the commander. What are you doing? You can't really try this. Come on, it's worth a shot. It's just. Oh no! What was that? It's just. Anyway, it says that the lung causes them to erupt right now. That was Long Valley, Lake Toba, Mount Tambora, Lockheed, Mount Vesuvius, and Mount Vesuvius, and the Kilauea volcano. Holy crap, I think you're right. We can't really even try this. Let's evacuate now. Come on, before the sun explodes. According to our calculations, the sun will explode within 14 days. Or 72 hours. We still got enough time to destroy it, to stop this from happening. So we just have in Australia. Let's just go look.
Several magnitude 5.3 earthquakes around the Toba supervolcano in New Zealand have triggered volcanic activity in the caldera. Researchers have confirmed that this volcano will erupt in the next 48 hours, so evacuate to somewhere safe. An eruption of this magnitude will destroy the entirety of New Zealand, and possibly Australia, too. Please evacuate to Please stand by. This is a global emergency. Please stand by. A global crisis is ongoing. Therefore, the United Nations created the Global Emergency Alert System to broadcast this important message. Multiple eruptions of supervolcanoes around the world have been reported. These volcanoes include Yellowstone, Long Valley, Toba, Krakatoa, Mount Tambora, and Laki. These categories cataclysmic super eruptions have all caused horrific damage to the world. Some have speculated that this is an act of God, that God is mad at us. The actual cause of these eruptions has been confirmed.
Scientists have reached the ground that the sun is on the verge of a supernova. If this happens, the majority of it, and all of life will be.
A plan to prevent this.
This happens. All life will be vaporized due to the radiation of the supernova. A black hole will be generated, sucking everything that's left in the solar system.
But it is not guaranteed that this will work. Please stand by for further information on this global emergency.
We have the International Space Station.
We really can't try this? Are you a dumbass? Of course not. It'll just blow the core prematurely. Let's just face it. The world is ending. It's worth the shot. I mean, of course it is. Why aren't we trying it? Well, no, you just shut up. I need time to think. We are in a fucking global crisis, and you need time to think. If you have something to think, sir, think it out loud. You want to know what I'm thinking? I'm thinking we're all gonna die. At least try the method. 7 billion lives are at stake, and if you do nothing, it's basically genocide. No, we are not doing anything. Now that we killed the idiot, let's drill this fucking core. Yeah!
2 hours later.
This is a delicate procedure, so be careful. The slightest mistake will kill us all. Got it, Chief. Permission to begin procedure 14A? Yep. Begin procedure 14A in T-minus 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start the drill. Sir? Something's wrong? What's wrong? Oh,
Dun.
This is an emergency action notification requested by the White House. All EAS participants will follow activation procedures in the EAS operating handbook for a national level emergency. The President of the United States, or one of his representatives, will shortly deliver a message over the emergency alert system. Please stand by.
Also,
Please stand
all the Gacha Heat zombies were found exploring the science field altogether.
by. Please stand by. We interrupt your programming. This is a global emergency. Important instructions will follow. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast systems and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air.
providing news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is Time Warner Cable. We will continue to serve the New York City area. If you are not in this local area, you should tune to cable systems providing news and information for your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the New York City area. Do not use your telephone. The telephone lines should be kept open for emergency use.
This is the end of the world as we know it. All attempts to stop the sun from exploding has failed. In 2 hours, the sun will explode. This will be a cataclysmic event. When the sun explodes, it will generate a supernova that will kill all life on Earth and other planets around the solar system, and whatever is left will be sucked in by the black hole. Most disturbingly, there is nothing we can stop this situation from escalating any further. The only thing we can do, it's to prepare for the end. Do whatever makes you happy and enjoy your final hours on life on Earth. The United Nations thanks you for your cooperation, but the end has come. Please stand by as we conclude the final activation of the emergency alert system.
Also, the Gacha Heat zombies were vaporized during the Supernova too. The Gacha Heat has completed their mission. All life were killed. Thank you all for watching this my first EAS scenario. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing. That's we're on the road to 100 subscribers. Thank you and goodbye.